Tags in Craft are designed to help you quickly find and group your content without introducing too much complexity. You can create tags by using the hashtag symbol and write the word you want to turn into a tag. It can be in a block, a subpage, or even in a collection. Once you've created a few tags, you will see suggestions automatically pop when you type. Let's say you want to add more structure. Use child tags with the / key. So let's add 3 different projects to 3 different tasks in my document. The first one will be Project Help Center, then Project Marketing Site, and lastly Project Tag Video. Easy, quick, and simple as that. Now let's see tags in action. The most used tags should live in the sidebar, where you can reach them with a single click. So let's pin the most used tags with the plus icon. I will go with Project, Ideas, and Meeting Notes. Under Projects, I see my recently created child tags as well. Under the tag view, use the filter icon to search for specific tags or use the horizontal scroll to locate the tag quickly. You will see child tags and you can pin tags from here as well with a right click. Now let's filter on my ideas to see relevant documents and let's check my hobbies to filter the content further. You see each document shows a hit count badge. Hover the badge and you will see more context of the tag location. I will check my Kitchen Essentials subpage in my cooking document to review my ideas. You can add tags in your collections as well. In a free text field, they will simply blend in, but remain functional. If you want to distinguish them, you can use the single select and multi-select fields as well. Tasks from your inbox will need to be moved into a document to enable the edit tag. To declutter your structure, you can personalize your sidebar. You can reorder all the sections, or simply disable any of them. To edit a tag or convert it back to plain text, hover over and select either Edit or Change the text. Lastly, create your own exceptions so certain words never turn into tags. Use folders to store, use tags to surface. Pick the combo that works best for you and make your sidebar truly yours.